Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Yolanda. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my tea rinses for growing long, thick, healthy hair. Let's get right to the video. Let's start by looking at the black tea benefits for hair. 1. Black tea prevents hair fall. The main reason behind hair loss is a hormone called the DHT. Black tea contains caffeine, which blocks DHT, thus allowing your hair strands to flourish in endless growth. By doing so, black tea can thicken and strengthen your hair. 2. Black tea helps to stimulate hair growth. Black tea rinse works to stimulate hair by using caffeine. The caffeine blocks the DHT hormone from producing, and this fosters healthy hair and maintenance. Black tea can add shine to your hair. Rinsing your hair with black tea helps to darken your hair and adds luster. Black tea contains more caffeine that penetrates into the hair follicles, and it can also be used when your hair has been damaged by chemical-based shampoos. 4. Black tea can soften your hair and make your hair look stronger, shiny, and full of life.
This is how you make your black tea. You just add 2 to 3 bags of black tea in boiling water, then you let it steep for maybe 30 minutes, and then you are ready to use it. Or you can even go ahead and boil the mixture so that you can get some maximum benefits.
Peppermint leaves. Mint is packed with antioxidants, phytonutrients, vitamin A, vitamin B complex, and vitamin C. Peppermint leaves are rich in iron, potassium, and manganese. Now let's look at the benefits of using peppermint tea on your hair. 1. It stimulates hair growth. Peppermint leaves are enriched with menthol, which increases blood circulation to your hair follicles, thus promoting hair growth. 2. It soothes itchy scalp. Menthol on the leaves soothes, elevates itchiness, and also it reduces dandruff. Controls excess oil production. Excess oil, it makes your hair greasy, it looks way down, and also it is prone to breakage. 4. It adds shine and luster. Menthol in peppermint leaves helps you to strengthen your hair follicles, preventing them from becoming weak and brittle, minimizing hair loss, and also promoting a healthier scalp. 6. Peppermint eliminates dandruff. 7. It heals irritated scalp. And finally, peppermint adds volume and thickness to your hair. Well, to prepare peppermint tea, you start off by washing your peppermint leaves. Then you boil them for at least 15 minutes, you let them cool down, and it's ready for use.
It stimulates hair growth. Bright-colored hibiscus flowers has amino acids which are necessary for producing keratin. The flowers are capable of stimulating hair regrowth even from dormant hair follicles, and also it helps repair bald patches. And also, the flower is capable of making your hair smooth, shiny, and strong. And thirdly, the flower cleanses hair. Using a DIY hibiscus shampoo once a week will help your hair bounce back to its original form. It deep conditions hair. Leaves and flowers from the hibiscus plants are incredibly moisturizing. It has high amount of mucilage content which helps to provide slip and hold while sealing in the moisture. The flower helps to treat dandruff and itchiness in the scalp. Hibiscus has astringent properties which helps reduce the oil cleanse secretions and excessive oil secretion of the scalp. It helps cool and soothe scalp, providing relief from itchy scalp and dandruff. It combats hair loss. The flower is rich in vitamin C and amino acids. The flower improves the blood circulation under the scalp to stimulate healthy hair growth. The flower delays premature hair graying. Hibiscus prevents hair breakage. Hibiscus help you get rid of all dirt and chemicals, thus rehydrating the hair's keratin fibers. Amino acids also add strength and elasticity to your hair.
How to prepare. Five, bay leaf.
For the hair, number 1, bay tea improves hair follicles to prevent hair loss. Weak hair follicles is the major reason why our hair results in hair loss. Bay leaves can help prevent this by strengthening your hair roots and thus making your follicles stronger. 2. It can be used as a hair conditioner. Antioxidant present in the bay leaf can help smoothen your hair and also render them smooth and shiny. 3. Bay leaves eliminates fungal infection on your hair and scalp. Bay leaf reduces scalp inflammation. Crushing bay leaf and applying it on the swollen area or the affected area can help to calm down the scalp due to the anti-inflammatory properties in the bay leaf. 5. Bay leaves have some good properties that actually helps to increase the blood circulation in your scalp that results in excess hair growth. 6. Bay leaves treats itchy scalps and skin. To treat itchy scalp and skin, grind the bay leaves, mix with any oil of your choice and apply it on the affected area. This helps with strengthening the hair follicles and also reduce the itchiness over the scalp or the skin. 7. Bay leaves can also treat dandruff. A rinse with bay leaf can help treat dandruff on hair. Bay leaf acts as a tonic to the hair, which helps to treat dandruff and also eradicate dandruff built over the scalp. 8. TikTok. Bay leaf can help get rid of lice. Lice starts with 1 and it can multiply to many within 10 days. Rinsing off with bay leaf water can help to treat the lice on the hair and also clean the scalp thoroughly. Due to the bitter tasting and strong flavor, it creates a suffocating condition for lice to stay in your hair. In short, bay leaf softens, smoothens, strengthens your hair and also increases blood circulation all over your scalp. Let's look at the 3 types of commonly used bay leaves in the world. Like the bay leaves, they differ depending on your region and where you are. So firstly, we have the bay laurel leaf, Indian bay leaf, Indonesian bay leaves, which is what I have currently right now. I am loving it. It's looking like. So right now I'm going to dip them in warm water and I'm going to wash them for a couple of minutes. When I'm done, I'm going to boil them, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil the leaves on a medium low heat of 4, and then while I'm waiting for my bay leaf tea to be ready, I'm going to go ahead and make my black tea. Fermented stuff has some good properties that are actually good in slowing down the process of aging.